So mindfulness seems to be everywhere today. We find it in schools, in universities, in hospitals, and military academies. We find it in boardrooms and parliament buildings. For some it's a therapy, for others a technology, and for some it's a lifestyle choice. Tens of millions of people admit to practicing it in North America alone. Mindfulness seems to be whatever we need it to be. It emerges into the public discourse like a mystical panacea from the ancient East, the cure for all the ills of contemporary societies. But what actually is it? Fundamental research into mindfulness in various disciplines in the sciences and the social sciences and the humanities has grown exponentially in the last decade or so. Researchers are attempting to provide an evidence base for what mindfulness does to people, as well as a conceptual base for what mindfulness might actually be. When we say that someone is a mindful person, what are we saying about that person? When people call for a mindful society, do they really know what such a society would be like? And would you want to live in it? Based partially in experiential learning, this course aims to give you the theoretical and practical skills to understand and to critically assess mindfulness in its various forms for yourself. Encompassing its ancient traditions and cutting-edge science, this course seeks to demystify mindfulness as a technology for life in the 21st century. Whether you're entirely new to mindfulness, looking for clarity, or an experienced practitioner looking for some more depth, whether you're a mindfulness teacher looking to broaden your understanding, or a therapist looking to diversify your knowledge, no matter who you are, I hope this unusual course has something to offer you.